Okay, let's make this fun. Here's the beach view today. Pretty cool. Let's stand up a little bit. Look down there. Not many people here. Real pretty though. Oh yeah. Alright. Okay. Let's do a little bit of algebra. So let's continue with the Math 1105 Final Exam Review. Question 9. Wait, say hey to Zeus. Hey Zeus. Come on, let's do some algebra. Okay, we're going to find the vertex of the graph of the function opposite of 3x squared plus 12x plus 1. Now, by this point in the course, you know a function that is quadratic, meaning degree 2, is a parabola. When the leading coefficient of a quadratic function is negative, that means this parabola opens down. Now, by no means am I drawing an accurate graph here, but what we're looking for is the vertex. So, let's start off by recalling A represents the leading coefficient, and that would be negative 3. B represents the coefficient of the middle term, which would be 12. And C represents the constant, which in this case is 1. Now, whenever a quadratic function is written like this, in this form, the ax squared plus bx plus c form, you can always trust that c, the number 1, if you wrote it as the ordered pair 0, 1, would be the y-intercept. But in this case, all we're looking for is the vertex. So what we need to recall is we need to recall the vertex formula. And the first part of the vertex formula tells me that the x-coordinate of the vertex is found by filling in the form opposite of b divided by 2 times a. So in this problem, that would be the opposite of, notice that b is 12, and 2 times a is a negative 3. So what we end up getting here basically, the opposite and the opposite are going to become a positive. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So the x-coordinate of my vertex, is 2. Now if I want to find the y-coordinate, I take the number 2 and I plug it back into the function. So to find the y-coordinate of the vertex, I compute f of 2, and that would be the opposite of 3 times 2 squared plus 12 times 2 plus 1. So in other words, I just went back to my function and I replaced x with 2. I found f of 2. Now we do the arithmetic correctly. This is the opposite of 3 times 4 plus 24 plus 1. Watch the arithmetic. It can be a killer. We have a negative 12 plus 24 plus 1. Let's see. Negative 12 plus 24 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So, there's my answer. The vertex of my parabola is the ordered pair 2, 13. And we found it really by using the vertex formula. And the most important thing to remember, the x-coordinate of the vertex of a parabola is opposite of b over 2a. And then once you have the value for x, you plug into the function you were originally given, whatever the x-coordinate becomes, f of that number will become the y-coordinate. And we're done. One last look at the beach. Have a nice day.